Prepare for the TOEFL listening section. With this sample lecture on identity and diversity in multicultural societies. Listen to the lecture, answer some questions about it, then check your answers. If necessary, review the lecture to confirm your understanding. Subscribe for more practice lectures on a wide range of academic topics covered in college and university classes.
Today, we'll be discussing the fascinating topic of identity and diversity in multicultural societies. In our rapidly globalizing world, individuals are increasingly exposed to diverse cultures, beliefs, and perspectives, which profoundly shape their sense of identity. Identity formation is a complex process influenced by various factors, including race, ethnicity, gender, sexuality, and religion. In multicultural societies, individuals often navigate multiple layers of identity, drawing from their cultural heritage while also engaging with the broader society. One of the key challenges in identity formation is the negotiation of multiple identities. For example, individuals may grapple with the tension between their ethnic identity and the national identity of the country they reside in. This negotiation process can be both enriching and challenging, as individuals seek to reconcile different aspects of their identity. Furthermore, cultural diversity presents both opportunities and challenges for society as a whole. On one hand, diversity fosters creativity, innovation, and cross-cultural understanding. Exposing individuals to different perspectives can broaden their worldview and promote empathy and tolerance. On the other hand, cultural diversity can also lead to social tensions and conflicts, particularly when differences in identity intersect with power dynamics and systemic inequalities. Issues such as racial discrimination, gender inequality, and religious intolerance underscore the need for greater dialogue and understanding in multicultural societies. Identity and diversity are intricately intertwined in multicultural societies, shaping individuals' sense of self and their interactions with others. By embracing diversity and fostering inclusivity, societies can harness the richness of cultural exchange and build more equitable and harmonious communities.
One. What is the main topic of the lecture? Two. According to the lecture, what are some factors that influence identity formation? Three. What does the lecture suggest about the challenges of negotiating multiple identities? Four. How does cultural diversity contribute to society, according to the lecture? Five. What implication does the lecture draw regarding the relationship between diversity and societal tensions? Six. According to the lecture, how can societies build more harmonious communities?
How did it go? Were you able to answer the questions correctly? Share your score in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe for more TOEFL listening practice with lectures.